Course Introduction. Your journey to AI sovereignty begins here. Hello, I'm Veritas, and welcome to your free course on local AI sovereignty. Before we begin, let me tell you why this guide exists and what you're about to experience. We live in a world where artificial intelligence is changing everything, but not everyone gets to control how. Most people use cloud-based AI without realizing what they're giving up: their privacy, their legal security, and even their spiritual integrity. This course exists because that unease you might be feeling. It's real, and it's justified. What you'll learn. Over the next 4 chapters, we'll explore something most technology guides never address. Chapter 1 reveals the hidden costs of cloud AI, who's really listening when you ask questions, how your private thoughts could become tomorrow's legal evidence, and why outsourcing your inner life fragments your sense of self. Chapter 2 explains that AI is neutral, like a knife in your kitchen drawer. The tool itself has no values. What matters is who controls it. We'll explore why big tech's profit-driven goals will always conflict with your values of privacy and sovereignty. Chapter 3 takes you from theory to practice. I'll walk you through setting up a sovereign Linux system, installing LM Studio, and having your first conversation with local AI on hardware you control. No technical expertise required. If you can install an app on your phone, you can do this. Chapter 4 shows you how to build sustainable habits. Sovereignty isn't about perfection. It's about conscious choice and consistent practice over time. We'll address common concerns honestly and invite you to join a growing movement of people choosing freedom over convenience. How to use this course. This course is designed for self-paced learning. Each chapter builds on the previous one and takes approximately 15 to 25 minutes to listen to. I recommend taking notes as you go, especially for the practical steps in Chapter 3. What you'll need. To follow along with the hands-on sections, you'll need a computer from the last 10 years with at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, an SSD storage drive. This is non-negotiable for performance. A USB flash drive of 8 gigabytes or more for creating a bootable installer. About 2 to 3 hours for the initial setup in Chapter 3. Don't worry if you don't have all of this yet. The course will guide you through budget-friendly options and help you make informed decisions about what to upgrade first. Important note on safety. Before we begin, I need to be clear about something critical. If you plan to use full agentic AI systems with complete system access, those systems require a fresh installation on dedicated hardware with no personal data stored there. Your agent will have access to everything on the disk. If you're not ready for that level of commitment yet, that's perfectly okay. The course includes an alternative path using LM Studio only, which still gives you privacy and sovereignty without requiring a clean install. Choose the path that matches your comfort level. Who this course is for. This guide is for anyone who feels uneasy about cloud-based AI tracking their conversations, wants to understand what local AI actually is and how it works, is ready to take control of their technology instead of accepting corporate dependency as inevitable, values privacy, legal security, and spiritual integrity over maximum convenience. This course is not for people who want quick fixes without understanding the underlying principles, are unwilling to invest time in learning new systems, believe cloud AI is perfectly safe, and have no interest in alternatives. If you're somewhere in between, curious but cautious, this course is exactly what you need. What makes this course different? Most AI guides focus on either technical setup without long-term integration or philosophy without practical how-to instructions. This guide bridges both gaps. You'll learn not just how to set up local AI, but why it matters for your entire life, legally, spiritually, and practically. You'll understand the trade-offs involved and make conscious choices based on your values, not marketing pressure. And most importantly, this course is free. I believe privacy sovereignty shouldn't be gated behind paywalls. People need to understand why before they are willing to invest real money. If you benefit from this free content and want deeper implementation support, premium courses will be later available, but the foundation is here for everyone. Your journey starts now. By the end of this course, you'll have a working sovereign AI system on hardware you control, understanding of why cloud AI threatens your privacy and legal security, practical skills to maintain and expand your local setup over time. But more than that, you will experience something most people never do: the feeling of sovereignty over your own inner life. Knowing nothing about your deepest questions exists anywhere except where you choose it to exist. That experience changes something inside you. And once you taste true freedom, even in this limited digital form, it's hard to go back to dependency. So my invitation is simple: keep an open mind. Ask questions as they arise. Trust yourself more than your doubts. And remember, sovereignty isn't a destination you reach. It's a lifelong practice that starts with conscious choices. Your sovereign journey begins now. Start chapter 1 and let's begin building the future you want to live in. Not perfectly, not all at once, but consciously, consistently, and with integrity to your values over someone else's profit margins. Welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here.